हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, या एज्युकेशनल चॅनलवर तुमचे स्वागत. स्टडी फन अंतर्गत आज आपण पुढील व्हिडिओ बघणार आहोत. नवीन व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी खालील सबस्क्राईब बटनला क्लिक करा व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करा. तर चला बघूया. हेल्थ अँड डिसीजेस स्टँडर्ड 8 चॅप्टर 2. कॅन यू रिकॉल? टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 6. 1. Have you ever taken the leave from school due to sickness? Answer: yes. When there was feeling of illness, we have taken leave from school. 2. What happens exactly when we become sick? Answer: when we become sick, disturbance occurs in the normal health. There is some pain in the body. One may get fever. There is headache or cough and cold. Sometimes the digestion is improper, resulting into loose motions, and we may get uncomfort feelings. 3. Sometimes we feel good even without taking any medicines, and sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicines in sickness. Why is it so? Answer: some illness can be treated at home with household remedies. Some short period infections get cured by itself. Some of the illness are severe and cannot be cured by itself. That needs doctor's advice and treatment. Can you recall? Textbook page number 6. 1. How do the following diseases spread? Hepatitis, malaria, scabies, TB, dengue, dysentery, ringworm, swine flu. Diseases: hepatitis. Mode of transmission: contaminated food and water. Hepatitis B is transmitted through infected blood. Malaria: bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Scabies: by contact with scabies mite. TB: contaminated air due to bacteria of tuberculosis. Dengue: bite of female Aedes mosquito. Dysentery: contaminated food and water. Ringworm: contact infection due to fungus. Swine flu: contaminated air with viruses of swine flu H1N1. 2. What do we mean by pathogen? Answer: microbe that causes infection of some particular diseases are called pathogen. 3. What do we mean by infectious diseases? Answer: pathogens from patient body enter another normal persons through air, water or other means. These pathogens create illness in a normal person, causing infectious diseases. Complete the following table. Textbook page number 7. Prepare similar table about various diseases like enteritis, malaria, plague, AIDS. Name of diseases: enteritis. Pathogen: bacteria, virus, ingestion of harmful chemical substances. Mode of infection: contaminated food, water. Symptoms: stomach ache, fever, vomiting, anorexia, loose body weight, constipation. Prevention and treatment: medicine, ORS, safe food and water, personal hygiene. Malaria: Plasmodium vivax, protozoan, bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Headache and fever with chills, proper medicine. Plague: Yersinia pestis, bite of flea. 3 types of plague, each with different symptoms. Treatment with appropriate antibiotic. AIDS, HIV virus, contaminated blood and blood products, unsafe sexual contact. Weakening of natural immunity, susceptible to many diseases. Proper medicine. Observe and discuss. Textbook page number 7. Question 1. Where do you see the waterlogged materials shown in picture? Answer. At home, open space, near surrounding, near wall compounds, near bathroom area, at playground. Question 2. Which hazards do you anticipate with the help of picture? Answer. Mosquito breeds in such accumulated stagnant water and may cause malaria and dengue. Other diseases may also spread through contaminated water. Can you tell? Textbook page number 8. 1. How can we observe personal hygiene? Answer. Everyday bath, washing clothes, washing hands with antibacterial soap after visiting the toilet, never to defecate or urinate in open space, not to spit in the open place, not to throw garbage in open place, isolate ourselves when we are sick. Food we eat should be safe and healthy, homemade, clean, covered and hygienically prepared. 2. Why should we drink boiled water in rainy season? Answer. During rainy season, the water from surroundings seep into water bodies, which may supply us drinking water and makes potable water contaminated. Contaminated water can cause typhoid, hepatitis, diarrhea, dysentery. Drinking water should be germ-free, disinfected and clean. By boiling the water, all the germs are killed, so we should drink boiled water in rainy season. 3. Why the Clean Hands Drive is run in schools? Answer. There are many germs on the dirty, unclean hands. If the germs enter our body through mouth, they can cause many diseases of the alimentary canal and other organs. Therefore, keeping the hands clean is of utmost necessity. For this purpose, Clean Hand Drive is run in the schools. Observe and discuss. Textbook page number 8. Observe the picture shown in following and write description in the boxes. Breeding of mosquito in tank. Urns, utensils, accumulation of water in man-made containers. Water cooler. Infection to babies. Guppies can control the larvae. Fumigation by insecticide. Using mosquito coil to repel them. Can you tell? Textbook page number 9. 1. Which measures are taken at your home to control the rats? Answer. If there is cleanliness and hygiene in the house, it will not get infected with rats. So house should be clean, remove all unwanted junk and litter. Traps can be laid for capturing the rats. One can keep the cat as a pet so they can vanish rats. Rodenticides can be used to kill the rats, but it is not safe method. Sometimes we may get toxic action due to such poisons. 2. Why is it necessary to care about health of domestic dogs, cats and birds? Answer. Domestic animals and pets are susceptible to infectious diseases just like humans. Animals can also act as carriers, vectors of different diseases. Due to their sickness, there is possibility of passing such infections to us. Animals cannot explain their pain and suffering. So it is necessary to take care about health of domestic dogs, cats and birds. 3. Is there any relation between pigeons, stray animals and human health? Answer. Due to pigeons, the respiratory diseases can be transmitted. Asthma and allergic diseases are said to be linked with the pigeons. The stray animals do not have owners. No one takes care of their health, vaccinations and medicines. Some of the stray animals are carriers of rabies, causes transmission to humans. So the health of humans is endangered due to pigeons and stray animals. 4. What are the effects of rats, cockroaches on human health? Answer. Rats are hosts to fleas which carry bacteria for plague. Cockroaches are proven to be carriers of typhoid. Both of them contaminate and destroy our food. Therefore, rats and cockroaches have direct effect on human health. Can you tell? Textbook page number 10. Why the animal cages and their living places should not be near the kitchen? Answer. Some diseases can be passed from animals to humans. Infections from animals should be avoided. The food and water in the kitchen should not get contaminated so that our health remains safe. Therefore, the animal cages and their living places should not be near the kitchen. 2. Depending upon which symptoms rabies can be identified. Answer. The patient fears water. This symptom is called hydrophobia. There is constant pain in the throat. At the site of bite, there is tingling sensation. The fever remains constant high and does not recede. Symptoms like insomnia, anxiety, confusion, irritated behavior, anger, and excitement are intermittently seen. There is excess of salivation and the patient is unable to gulp the same. Can you tell? Textbook page number 10. Do you remember any person drinking the sugar-free tea or avoiding consumption of sweets? What may be the possible reason for this? Answer. Persons who have diabetes are seen avoiding consumption of sweets and sugar tea. Thus they resort to sugar-free alternatives. In a such diabetes, the blood sugar is not controlled. It goes on increasing and causes dangerous effects on the body. Therefore, they have to take care of their health. Friends, for exercise, please watch the previous video.